No 10 products, just 2, and this twist out does not miss. All I'm using today is the Dew Thermal Protection Spray and a foam wrap lotion from the same line. That's it, minimal, but mighty. I started on a week-old twist out, but you can also begin on clean, damp, detangled hair and get the same results, if not better. I lightly mist the Thermal Protection Spray to help protect your strands while locking in that moisture, and separate your strands with your fingers. So I detangle just a little bit because this has been a week-old braid out. So I want to make sure that my hair is easy when it comes to blow drying. So I start blow drying my hair on 180 degrees Fahrenheit using the Time O Beauty Air Hype, as you see here, blow dryer. But if your hair is already stretched, you can dry it on 80 degrees Fahrenheit just to save time and reduce heat exposure. If you're interested in purchasing the Air Hype blow dryer, I've included a link below where you can get a generous discount on this or any other Time O Beauty products you would like. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the top section of my hair, spray with the thermal protectant, detangle, and then start blow drying. And again, you can blow dry on 80 degrees Fahrenheit if your hair is more stretched out than mine, or you can blow dry on 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And one thing I could say about the Dew Thermal Protectant Spray is it helps shields the hair from damage caused by blow dryers. Next, I'm going to go in with the foaming wrap lotion, and I section my hair into 2 halves. This just makes it easier when applying. So with the lotion, I apply it to my hair and I smooth it through each section from root to ends. Don't be shy, foam gives hold without heaviness. Then I twist it up. Keep your parts clean and your tension consistent. That's the true secret to even definition. Make sure you're working with 2 equal sections before you start twisting. You don't want to borrow hair from the other section as you twist, because that can throw off the consistency and affect your twist out results. And remember, the goal is to minimize frizz as much as possible for the best results. So as you can see here, I'm just twisting all the way down, not borrowing hair from the other side. And here's just a close-up, that way you can see exactly what I'm doing. I also want to mention that parting the hair to start the twist, they do not have to be even, because again, you're just taking the twist out the next day, so the parts do not have to be perfect. Just section the hair off, make sure on both sides the sections of hair that you're going to twist are even, and start twisting downward. Blow dried hair can easily get tangled up again, so make sure you keep a brush on hand just in case you might need to detangle before twisting your hair. Once I'm done twisting, I let it dry completely. I mean completely. You can air dry or sit under a hooded dryer if your hair is wet. This is the next day. I didn't sit under a hooded dryer just because my hair was dry after finishing. Next, I'm gonna take some oil and I'm just gonna put that on my hair and untwist slowly. Now this is important. Make sure you're taking your time here. Untwist where it naturally separates at. Here's an up close of just what I'm talking about. And look at that definition. My hair is defined. It feels so soft, and the way that my curls bounce back. And it only took 2 products, everyone. 2 products. So now you have 0 excuses for achieving that flawless twist out. And if you want to, as an option, you can separate the twists to give a fuller look, but only separate where your hair separates easily. Do not force a separation in a twist. We want this twist out to last at least 7 days. And look at the back, y'all. Define, soft, bouncy. 2 products. Save this for your flawless twist out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.